Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be comparing Google Wallet alongside Samsung Wallet and of course alongside Apple Wallet, or in other words Apple Pay. Let's get started. Now of course both of these are integrational technological wallets or payment systems that people have on their phones. For example, Google Wallet, of course sponsored and created by Google, is an online technological wallet which can house your money and can make your payments, including online payments and physical payments via your phone, much easier. Same goes for Apple Pay, where Apple sponsors and has created this Apple Pay system where you can pay for physical payments alongside online payments using Apple Pay, and of course Samsung Wallet has the same principle. Now, when you compare these two, Google Wallet has approximately 48.6 million users, whereas Apple Pay has a higher number of 61.3 million users, and Samsung has the least at 16.3. Both of these are great, and most popular is Apple Pay is accepted by over 90% of US merchants. It has a loyalty card and it has benefits such as event tickets and event passes. It has seamless Apple product integration and a high level of security, which the others do not seem to match. Of course, in second place, I would put Google Wallet, which has great security measures and of course a great loyalty program, and it comes in default for Android phones. Now, in my opinion, I have to say that Apple Pay is much better and more popular as compared to the rest of them. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.